Hello everyone. Today we'll demonstrate how to install FaceIK in Maya. First, visit our website. Click the download button and select your corresponding version. This tutorial uses Maya 2025. Place the downloaded file in your desired directory. Right-click the file and select Extract All. Delete any unnecessary subdirectories, then click Extract. You'll see a directory named Module. Next, we need to add this module path to Maya's module path environment variable so that Maya can locate our module. Then we launch Maya and load the scene file. Open the plugin manager. Navigate to our module path where a FaceIK.py file should appear. Click to load it. In the script editor, the message Start Loading Metahuman should appear. Please wait for the loading to complete. In the outline window, select Adder and click the first button in the FaceIK shelf to activate edit mode. All facial handles are now visible. Clicking a handle will display its index and the index of its mirror shown in parentheses. Now you can drag any of them to change the facial expression. You may have noticed some lag. This is caused by the RigLogic node within the Metahuman for Maya plugin. This node is optimized for a single GUI input only, and its evaluation process becomes significantly time-consuming when all GUI inputs change simultaneously. This issue can only be resolved by the Unreal Engine team. We will demonstrate this in detail in a dedicated video later. Now let's showcase other features. Clicking the question mark button will open the menu. Selecting the account menu will display your account dashboard. Selecting the tutorial menu will display our tutorial videos. Selecting the Help menu will display our Discord invite page, where you can join our Discord channel and ask questions. Selecting the About menu will display version information and other details. Clicking the Settings button will open the Settings window. In the Account panel, you can set your account email and password. In the Metahuman panel, you can add the Metahuman characters you wish to use in Maya. The Parameters panel contains several settings for controlling the behavior of the FaceIK algorithm. The UI panel contains settings for controlling the graphical user interface. We will explain these parameters and other settings in detail in subsequent videos. So, that's a quick guide to FaceIK in Maya. Thanks for watching and see you next time.